Rainforest Kingdoms, The Secret Lives of Jaguars. This episode explores the life of the jaguar, the apex predator of the Amazon rainforest, and its critical role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. From their stealthy hunting techniques to the dangers posed by deforestation, we uncover their hidden world and the urgent need for their protection. In the heart of the world's largest rainforest, there lives a phantom, a creature as elusive as the shadows it prowls. The jaguar, ruler of this dense and mysterious kingdom. Holds the key to the delicate balance of life in the Amazon. Jaguars are masters of stealth, with unmatched patience. They stalk their prey, using the thick rainforest as cover. Their ambush is swift and deadly, often delivered with a single crushing bite. As apex predators, jaguars keep prey populations in check. Without them, herbivores would overpopulate, leading to overgrazing and a disruption of the delicate balance within the ecosystem. The jaguar ensures that no one species dominates, allowing the rainforest to thrive. The greatest threat to the jaguar is not from other animals, but from us. Illegal logging, farming, and urban expansion have destroyed vast swathes of their rainforest home. Every day, the Amazon loses thousands of acres, pushing jaguars and countless other species closer to extinction. Across the Amazon, conservation efforts are underway to create protected areas for jaguars. Researchers are using advanced technology to track their movements and understand their needs. While local communities are embracing sustainable practices, protecting the jaguar means safeguarding the rainforest and the future of countless species that call it home. Jaguars are the guardians of the Amazon, keeping its ecosystems in balance. Yet, they are also among its most vulnerable. If we lose the jaguar, we risk losing one of the most extraordinary places on Earth. By protecting these elusive predators, we protect the rainforest and in turn, the future of our planet's biodiversity.